Hi, we're going to talk about the contacts in details. Unlike any other comparable program, Edouard handles contacts as companies and people before being anything else. When you bring in new people or adopt a new program, the big concern for most companies is the learning curve of the business management software. Most of these uses terminology that can vary from common industry-wise to specific to the program itself. Learning how to use a program quickly becomes like learning a new language. With Edouard, we use terms and concepts that everybody can relate to. This is why contacts are companies and people first. Also, this allows us to associate people with companies and eventually update easily your database when these contacts changes companies. Then, contacts in Edouard can get statuses. In these, we differentiate two kinds, primary and secondary. Although they are all mixed together in the user interface to avoid a layering effect, they have different importance. Among the primary, we have clients, providers, carriers, and banks. These statuses impact directly where these contacts can be used in Edouard. The secondary statuses are prospects, competitors, journalists, and VIP. These are intended to be used as filters. We then have metadata that can be associated to each contact. These differ depending on the kind of contact, company or person, and their primary status. We consider three kinds of metadata. Critical metadata are information which will be necessary if you want to use the contacts in processes. The most important one is the address. Contacts can have multiple ones, and each will have a location. A location is a combination of a country, a state or a region, if relevant, a city, and a zip or postal code. These are handled in the location menu in a way to help you keep this critical information as clean as possible. Organizing metadata are information which will help you sort out your contacts during processes such as statistics reports. Among these, we have markets, origins, and activities. These are configured in the administration. Finally, productivity metadata are information which are used to help you work faster and safer. These are mostly under the parameters sections of the contacts cards and define default values for different contexts for that particular contact. These work with a priority system. Values from the contact supersedes the values from the administration, which supersede the absence of default values at all. They will be used in relevant processes by populating data automatically. The last point I want to address is the bank contacts. These are only accessible from the accounting menu. They are companies, so you can assign people to them, and they have a unique metadata for them, which is the bank accounts. We will address the details of the bank accounts in the accounting videos. That's it for this one. To keep in touch with upcoming announcements, make sure to follow us on your favorite social media. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our website, edwardapp.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.